Okay, now that I finally have all my lights up, I just wanted to do a little video explaining everything, telling what exactly everything is, in case anybody's interested. So this is two sets of the 190 each icicle lights. One strip goes left to right, the other one goes right to left, and then I just have them synced together in a group. This, of course, was my little project that I started back in January. Some of the effects I thought looked really cool on my tree, but I thought, man, they would look really cool on a flat, evenly spaced surface. So like the reindeer and the Santa Claus effects, different things like that, I thought would look much better on here. So this is a set of 400 lights that I individually glued each light into the pegboard myself. So just to show you what I was talking about, like this effect looked really cool on my Christmas tree last year, the one I have inside, which is 800 lights. But on the flat surface like this, where all the lights are even spaced, it looks so much better. So this, the garage door surround, was just kind of a last minute fluke. This is another set of 150 lights. I had originally planned on putting these and the other 150 I have together on my downspout, and I ended up putting this 150 around the door, and I kind of like the way it turned out. So this is the other set of 150 lights that I wrapped my downspout with. It goes almost to about the height of the garage door, but turned out pretty nice. I like it. So I can match that with anything of the other ones that I have as well. So this effect's called falling snow, which looks kind of cool on here. And finally we have the little fake Christmas tree. I think it's like a 5-footer that I bought to put outside. I'll say eventually what I'm going for with everything is a whole Christmas scene basically in my driveway. So this tree has 600 lights on it, and this is actually the Halloween effect. I think it's like a blue or purple and orange. I thought this one looks kind of cool on the tree. I figured I'd show it off. Now eventually the plan is to build a fake fireplace around that I can wheel my sign up, roll it in behind it, so when I turn on the fire effect, it'll look like a fireplace with a fire going in it. And then I want to try and do like maybe a Santa coming down the chimney, where you see like the bottom of his bag, his rear end, and a boot or something, like he's coming down the chimney or something like that. But for Halloween, I have my RIP tombstone. I'm gonna do some spiders, some pumpkins, and different things for when I use it as a Halloween setup. So finally, here's what everything looks like together. I got the icicle lights going, the garage door surround, the tree, I got the prancing reindeer going across the sign, and then the lights on my downspout. It'll look much better when I get the fireplace surround built for it, and I think it will really look even better with a little bit of snow on the ground. This is a total of 1,680 lights just in this. I have another 800 that I put on my Christmas tree inside. I can also link all of these together so that every one of them all do the same. I can do different ones on each one. I can take the icicles and separate them out and do 2 different effects. So I don't know, I like it. I'll say, just thought I'd do a little video to kind of show it off a little bit. Yes, I realize it's September, but I'm that crazy neighborhood guy that puts his lights up early so I can use them for Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas.